In today's video, I'm going to teach you about navigating Zoho CRM efficiently. Zoho CRM is a fantastic tool to manage your customer relationships and streamline your sales processes. Let's begin by diving into its homepage. To start, you'll want to navigate to the homepage of Zoho CRM. This is your central hub for accessing various features and functions. Think of it as the main control room where you can easily see your tasks, schedule, and any recent updates. Once you're familiar with your homepage, it's time to get acquainted with the different elements of Zoho CRM. First up, click on the Leads tab. Leads are potential customers who have expressed interest but have not yet been converted into paying clients. By managing your leads effectively in Zoho CRM, you can track their journey and nurture them into becoming customers. Keeping a close eye on this section will help you funnel prospects more efficiently. Next, you'll want to move to the Contacts tab. Contacts represent your established connections. This includes clients, verified leads, and business partners. Through this tab, you can maintain and update detailed information about everyone you engage with. It's crucial for staying organized and ensuring that crucial communication doesn't slip through the cracks. Following contacts, we have the Accounts section. This feature allows you to group multiple contacts that belong to a single company or client. It's all about big picture management, giving you insights into the entire account's interactions, making it easier to strategize your approaches and address their needs comprehensively. Moving on, click on the Deals tab. In this part, you manage ongoing sales opportunities. This segment is particularly essential for tracking the revenue-focused aspects of your CRM activities. With Zoho's tools, you can keep tabs on deal stages, expected value, and timelines, optimizing your sales funnel and ultimately boosting your conversion rates. Next is the Forecasts feature. This is where you can project future sales and analyze past performance. By leveraging forecasts, you gain insights into trends and can set sales targets. It's a visionary tool that assists you in planning and streamlining strategic moves, helping to steer your business in the right direction. Now, let's look at the Documents section. Here you can store and manage all kinds of files. This consolidated point ensures that crucial documents are easily accessible across your team, enhancing collaboration and ensuring everyone has access to the materials necessary to perform their tasks effectively. Next on the agenda is exploring the Campaigns tab. Campaigns allow you to plan, implement, and track marketing efforts. Zoho CRM helps you assess the success of these campaigns, measure their impact on your business, and fine-tune future strategies, making this a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. After campaigns, you'll see the Activities tab. It's your go-to spot for tracking all meetings, calls, and tasks. By keeping this area updated, you ensure ongoing tasks are completed and no essential action gets overlooked. This feature enables you to stay organized, maintain productivity, and foster better customer relationships. Finally, there's the Inventory tab. Here you can oversee your stock, facilitating seamless operations without overstocking or running out of essential supplies. The inventory management feature of Zoho CRM integrates with your overall operations, ensuring your sales and supply chain are perfectly aligned. By systematically navigating these sections, your experience with Zoho CRM becomes not just manageable but impactful. It empowers you to make informed decisions and optimize every facet of your interactions with leads, clients, and business processes. Thank you for joining me and happy exploring with Zoho CRM.